Experts again, both we bought it together?
This is Miko
No, different.
Cartopia.
After buying
After
experts.
Hennur Bande, Hennur Banaswadi Road.
What about you?
So this is an event conducted by
You have a meteor and that's your favorite.
PHP.
Don't you aspire for something that you
There are a
don't
lot of
have?
stalls
No.
here. You can
All
see
you're all satisfied with what you have.
helmets.
Is it When it comes to stunts, I want to hear it from the captain. Make some noise for yes, yes, for sure. So, what bike is your favorite and what stunts do you do on your bike? I have a Benelli 502X, but I like to have gold wheel.
This is ultraviolet.
Okay, can we see it today?
Ultraviolet.
Your bike is there.
Here and
Okay, and the stunts?
ultraviolet stone, ultraviolet
100 kilometer
black
max.
red.
ಮಚ್ಚ ನೀನ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಇವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡೋಣ 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So, in your younger days, were you faster?
How much is this? This is
Okay, so you
what is the
became a
power?
professional
Power
biker
figure?
after retiring from
100
the
Newton meter torque, 40 bh.
100 Newton meter torque.
40 bh.
Right,
40.
come on, all of you.
On
put your
road
hands
is how
up
much?
and
Bangalore?
put your hands together for him.
4.4.
Because he started his professional
What is the
biking
like
journey
after booking waiting
retiring
period?
from
Delivery and all?
his airport duty, which
depend
is
on
amazing.
colors.
Sir, what about you?
Oh.
And variant.
Otherwise, generally, how much time average?
Average was 15 days.
Kormangla Ring Road, no?
No, Domlu.
Damlur, the intermediate corner Ring Road.
Yo, that's used to go on beauty. It was a
Custom they're giving. This is something they have released for some anniversary.
that bike and he used to ask me to start with it. So I used to like, Papa, I think that's not possible.
Saji underscore.
Hey, you know, I know, I am.
You know.
That's what I saw.
Even I remembered you. That's why I said.
And then I saw people coming out.
Hayabusa.
It was an amazing journey. to be doing.
Oh, Volvo is also kept here. C40 recharge.
And then trying
Nice.
like being a man and looking people around of all ages standing together and enjoying their journey of
Manohar here.
their lovely
Hi.
vehicles, favorites, right? So that's what I think. So I saw one of the vehicle here, similar to African Twin. I forgot the name. It's an Italian name. So I like that vehicle. That's the vehicle. So I like that vehicle. So in future, maybe you see next time with that vehicle. I'll be having that. Thank you so much.
Morini.
You said your dad was a sub-inspector, traffic sub-inspector, right? So then that means 0 fines on your vehicle?
Cape Morini.
No license. Wow. Bro, there's like 15,000 fine on my vehicle. Can you do something? Full discount. Full discount. Oh, thank you. I'll talk to you soon after. Whoa, perfect, bro. I need your contact number for sure. So, what about you? Which is your favorite bike, and what stunts do you do if you do any?
Bikes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ bikes favorite. I'm a biker. I like all the bikes. Small, big, but I ride a Triumph Tiger. I'm a traveler, so traveling is the strength. Throughout the world. So that is the big strength.
Amazing. His stunt is he travels throughout the world, which is of course risky, and stunts are also risky. So I'll qualify that as a stunt, sir. So now what we are about to do is we are waiting for breakfast. So I have no idea what to do. I just called you people randomly on stage, okay? But it's been a fun conversation up until now. Now what we're gonna do is we'll test some of your knowledge. What do you say? Yeah, I'm in. You're in? Yeah, I'm in. Okay, see, the questions, even I don't know the answers for. Okay? I know the questions, I don't know the answers. The audience will be the judge for the answers. Audience, are you ready to be the judge? Yes! Okay. The first question is, what is the wheel size of X-Pulse?
18.
Bro, you're the judge, not the participant. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ನ? ಕರ್ಕೊ ಮೇಲೆ. You have no idea? Yo, she's googling, bro, cheating on the stage, man. she's googling. Yeah, that's what both of them have an X-Pulse.
See this
I
here?
can't hold people like that.
Apache is good. All TVS, same engine for I think
530
BMW also, no? Apache RR 310.
PM and Nani timing and all.
See
Okay.
this
Yes, I am. No, you said see it, right?
engine, no? Export. The
Yes, sir.
transparent one.
Okay.
Respect.
Okay, no problem. So next question. Which bike do you have?
Vortex.
Meteor 350.
Electric.
Okay, so what's
custom
the
made, huh?
promised mileage by the company for the vehicle you have? 32. Is it right, audience members, judges? You have no idea. Yes?
So
32.
many
That's
bikes
right.
have come here.
Okay, nice. My Activa now gives 32. So, oh, nice. Activa bodies. So Activa is the one which has
BMW,
cases. I'll talk to you
Ducati.
soon about that. But now the question is, which is your bike? Royal Enfield. Okay, which year did the company Royal Enfield establish?
1920.
1920. Can the audience members Google and let me know if it's true? 1901. See, we have an expert right there. Okay, so now to ask you, but your favorite bike. We have people from Triumph today, right? Sure. Okay, we'll take. Now, I'm not the bike expert.
Must have take close up.
Come on, all of you.
You know, I have to compliment on one thing. See, I started photography, I did photography. And this, I think the quality of the video that we just saw, I think you couldn't see because of the bike completely. But the kind of stuff that you're doing, it is amazing. It's like a short movie. So my compliments to you.
Thank you so much.
And nobody really puts efforts like this, like you're doing. It doesn't matter it's for a product or anything, but I can see through the passion. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you.
We do a lot to bring things out to you and also to show how good our products is. So people, first of all, let me tell you, this is the first time that this is a launch and this is the first time that we are displaying our products for Suzuki V-Strom 800 and the Kawasaki Versys 650. This is the first time that we are displaying these products. We have products such as crash guard, we have batch plates, we have brake fluid guards, and we have carriers along with saddle stay. What you need to understand is a lot of top boxes and your panniers can be fixed onto this. These are common for all legendary top boxes and panniers. Please do come and check out our products online on legendary.com, and there are around 52 stores across India. You can please go and check it out in the stores if you want to see them physically, or else do come and check out online on legendary.com. Alright? Do you all have any question about this? Thank you so much people, and let me invite Murshid and Mr. Photographer for a photo. Yeah, welcome. Thank you people. Yes, I think we can just stay in front of the bike so that they can see us. Yeah.
Okay guys, since we have adventure motorcycles with us on the stage as well, I have a question for a giveaway. Do we have any giveaway from your side? We have? Okay, do we have? Okay, so one giveaway from Legendary for this question. Which was the first motorcycle in India to be officially sold in the high capacity segment, in the adventure segment? Which was the first motorcycle in the adventure category, in the higher CC, to be sold in India? No, raise your hand, raise your hand. Raise your, okay, can we have the mic? Yeah, over there. Please pass on the mic. Was it the Tiger and XC? You have to go a little bit back into the years, yeah. Yesteryears, okay. Alright. Oh man, my man, come on the stage. Yes, you're right. So all these young people, they're like, so, I mean, I believe you are in your 20s. 23, and you know, Mike.
That bike was launched before he was born.
Yeah, exactly. So you know about, how come you know about the Panjura? I mean, you just know, I know, but why? Please tell your.
I just saw the articles on it, then I realized like the simple engine is being used on the new DSA vehicles.
Wow. Oh, amazing, guys. A round of applause for him. So I remember seeing Panduro, I think in 2004. It was imported by which company? I think. Who imported Panduro? Does anyone know? Sorry? No, in India. Yeah, I'm talking about 2004, 2005. You know, so I think 50-60 motorcycles were imported. They were around 6 lakh rupees each. 650 single cylinder engine, and I think it was who? I don't remember. But anyway, when you get the giveaway, where is the hamper, please?
Legendary. It's a legendary giveaway from legendary customers.
Here we go. This is unmarked mystery box. It could be anything, you know. But congratulations to you. Thank you so much for keeping the historical part of India, you know, alive, as far as motorcycles is concerned. Thank you. Okay, so guys, you know, who likes adventure motorcycles more than sports bikes?
Oh wow, so many.
Okay, so you might have heard the phrase that you know, we dress to actually fall, but we also know that you have to get the right kind of motorcycle for the purpose that you want to do. Like for example, for racing, you would want a racing bike, a track motorcycle. For adventure riding, you would want an adventure motorcycle. But my question right now is, can you give me 3 names of motorcycles which do both very well? Like they can go on the track also, and they can tour very well also. It is a kind of a subjective question, but I want it to be a little, what do you call, controversial here. You know, just to get spiced up. So name 3 motorcycles which can go on the track, which can do track really well, and which are also good for touring, which are available in India. Let me put it like that. Okay, Mike. Okay. Yeah.
KTM Adventure 390.
Okay, so you can go on the racetrack as well. Any bike can go.
Yeah.
Okay, but okay, let's.
I believe it has a good performance on the racetrack compared to other ADVs.
Okay, let's go. No, I'm talking about any class. I'm not only talking about ADVs. Okay, a bike which is good on the racetrack as well as for touring.
Ninja 650.
Okay.
Ninja 1000 SX.
Yes, I second you on that. Second bike?
310.
Apache RR310. Okay.
3900.
Okay. Second bike? Okay, so Muddy Sada. Okay, fine. Third bike.
Pulsar RS200.
Pulsar RS200, man. I mean, that is a very unique kind of a choice. Okay, one more. Him. Triumph motorcycle. Sorry.
New Daytona 660.
Okay, second.
Those two I already told him. Apache RR310 and 1000 SX.
Okay, so let him also answer. Yeah. Yeah.
Street Triple RS.
Okay.
Aprilia RS457 is the new
Okay.
two-door.
Okay.
And another one I think is the RR.
Okay, so see, basically, this was a very a trick question because there is no correct answer. You know, this what it shows is that we have different perceptions about motorcycles. There is no correct answer. You know, we have toured on the Ninja H2, we have taken the Multisada on the track, and we have taken the Hayabusa to Spiti and Ladakh. You know, so there is no correct answer. You know, it was just a trick question. I'm so sorry, guys. There is no giveaway here. But for the giveaway, let me quickly ask you something. So this car which you're seeing over there, the engine is shared by another car from another manufacturer. Oh, he already knows, man. Okay, the bike to you.
Volkswagen.
So the BMW MC40i shares its engine Toyota Supra. All right, what is the engine called? Do you know what is the engine called? No. Okay, hold the mic closer. Okay, can you tell me? Okay, fine. So anyway, we'll give it to you. Please come on stage. But answer one more question. Which is a Castrol oil which goes into sports cars? What is the name of the oil? So for bikes, you know, you can see over here. It's Castrol Power One. But for cars, what is the name of the oil? No. Okay, it's Castrol Edge. But okay, but anyway, but you didn't know about the Toyota Supra, right? But okay, so here you go. Thank you so much. A little car trivia also. Okay, who all loves? Thank you. Who all loves Valentino Rossi? Oh my God. Everyone. Okay. So my next question, some of you might already be guessing is, what car is he racing these days? Car, yes, car.
Porsche.
You are that right.
Porsche.
What car? You are wearing a Rossi hat, a cap. What car is Valentino Rossi racing these days?
He's raising his hand.
He's racing his hand.
He's raising his hand with no limits. Yes.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. Yeah, it's of course a moderate version. I think CSL. Yeah, come on the stage. Yeah. Who would have thought that Rossi would be racing cars one day, right? And I think this is how we progress. We are motorcycling right now. Some of the guys might transition into cars later on. But I feel that cars, no matter how fast they are, they don't give you that kind of freedom or sense of what do you call belonging or being one with the machine. But anyway, please.
Body and bikes for the soul. Cars for the body and bikes for the soul.
Alright, so if you are given a choice between an M4 and an let's say S1000RR. S1000RR, okay. So I'll give you definitely an S1000RR. No, for that you have to ask Autonity or Legendary. I'm not capable of doing that right now. Maybe a scale model. Do you guys sell scale models also at your place? Wow, wonderful. Maybe you can. All right, raise a giveaway.
The giveaway is coming.
Okay, wonderful.
Let's getting ready. Joe, can we have the giveaway?